Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! I just wanted you to listen, so now go and get your equipment on and listen. Now, I wanted you to go to the airport and pick all these children up there and take them to the picnic. And you need to go to Edinburgh, Scotland now. And then you will be going to London St Pancras International to drop them to Broadstairs. You're not having a run around today. Now, he's so excited, he's gonna see you mean the runway, the fire station, and the little control tower. It heard a noise coming from the sky. An Airbus A306 coming to land. Hurry up. Go and get the children. But it don't want to pick up the children. He wants to do plane spotting. He's so excited there's a Boeing 777 coming to land. You mean. He wants money to deserve and have a big run around around equipment. And an Airbus A330. Now, when the children got on board to the picnic, children so excited. When Mr. Don's train, after he picks up all the children and took them to the picnic, its equipment's been washed off. Oh my god, where's your equipment? What? Oh my god. It's washed your equipment off? Gosh. I'm gonna have to buy your equipment back, the same equipment as it was. Oh look, here's all your old equipment. It's been washed off. Now here's some new equipment. New one as it was. Then the train shouted no. Since the train's equipment's back on, same one as it was, all tonight in the storm, I think you better go somewhere and look for a place. Now, when the train's got its equipment on, we can't see anywhere. I know, because it's got its lights on at Hook Norton Station.